Hi guys, today you're learning to ask questions of a text as you read, and you'll be reading My Way or the Highway. Now what I want you to do, because you are going to use something called the double entry journal, so I want to show you what that is and what you do to address that. So the double entry journal looks like this, all right? And it's not that big. So when you get to, what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes that you can do entries in. The texture reading is much bigger than that. So when you get through the 6 of these boxes, I want you to glue that into your book and carry on the next page, draw up a double column and continue. Okay, so what you do is My Way or the Highway. Here it is. I've downloaded it in a folder because I had to take shots of each of the double pages. I couldn't get it to download any other way, so I've just snapped photos. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump on to MWH1, My Way Highway 1. I've numbered them for each double page, so that's 1, 2, 3's out of screenshot, 4 is out of screen, 5, 6, 7, it goes up to 11. Okay, so it's a reasonably big piece of text. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to read the text, and that is not it, and that is not it. You're going to read the text, and I can't actually get my screenshot big enough at the moment for you to see all of it. So you're going to open the text, you're going to look at it, and before you even start reading, you think about what it is you're reading. My Way or the Highway. Okay, so usually that phrase is used to say you're going to do it my way, or you can forget about it, you can go somewhere else. All right, and there's this heading here, New Highway for Oxley Valley. Okay, so obviously got something to do with a highway in Oxley Valley. You jump onto your double entry journal and you decide, what do I want to know about this piece of reading as I start to read? Well, I know the first thing that jumps into my head is, I wonder what the issue is with this highway that you'd use a title like that. So I would write that into this side of the double entry journal. And then I would go back and read the text as it's outlined here, and then jump back on my double entry journal and write in the text it says, and I would form an answer for my question from what I've read. Okay, now you might have more than one question, and if you do, that's fine. Put one there, write your answers in here. Okay, once you've read that one, pop back, find number 2, open number 2, have a read of that. So that's straight away I see something about options for Oxley Valley Highway. And there are several options. So my question is going to be something like, maybe I'm wondering what the options are actually. So I wonder what the options are. And then in the text I will find answers. Okay, so the reason we do this, I'm just going to slide this back up here. The reason we do this is so that we can think more deeply about the text we read, which is what we've been focusing on over the last few weeks. Okay, so it helps you to think, all right, what am I going to find out? I know what I want to find out. Let's see. All right, so as it says here, before you read each section of the text, ask yourself questions about the text. All right, and see the video to understand what I mean. Well, I'm making the video now. This up here will become a link. All right, work your way through and see how you go. There are 11 double pages of text, so you do need to focus and get on with it, basically. Otherwise, you're going to be doing it until the end of the term, and we don't want that. All right, here's a link for the folder of text, and if you have any problems, just come and see me. Enjoy.